So the question is, am I pregnant? Hell no. A bitch got her period yesterday. So I don't know. I've been reading about like chemical pregnancies because a lot of you guys were saying that. And I don't know if that's what I don't know. As you guys know, I did a live yesterday, right? Now, I think that it's a trend, you know, to laugh on Liv's downfalls, or at least what some bitches think is a downfall, or I'm going through something. So it's very entertaining to these hating ass bitches here on YouTube, right? Somebody said, I'm glad you have a new shirt on, sis. Girl, boo. Hey, let me tell you something, Annie. Let me get off subject for a minute. I realized this when I was getting dressed. I love black. I don't know why. I just love black. So I wear a lot of black. And I have a lot of clothes. So last night, okay? A lot of shit went down. I can't get into detail because I don't want to. But I will say that my okay, let's just get out the way. Brandon and I are no longer, and I already know what you guys are gonna say. Oh my god, here we go again. But I was really pissed at the moment because I was like, nigga, how you gonna try to play me? You know who you talking to? Who the fuck you dealing with? And now he's trying to call me. Boy, bye. Okay. Anyway, so he was acting funny last night. Okay. Oh my god, keep your legs closed. Somebody block that bitch. How you block her? There you go. I'm a blocker myself. Put her on the timeout. No, I don't want to put her on a timeout. I want to block this hoe. There we go. You blocked. Girl, you close your leg. Close your mouth. Close your computer screen down. You ain't got to say nothing. Anyway. So he was acting funny last night. He got himself a little haircut. He looks so good when he gets a haircut. Oh my god. Okay. But anyway, he got a little haircut. Okay. And then he started acting funny. And I was like, okay, you trying to act funny with me. Okay. I see you. Didn't want to come back to me last night. Okay. Oh, you out at the bar. Okay. You out at the bar? Okay. I didn't know we could go to the bar and just do whatever and just not answer your phone and talk some shit. Oh, my phone's not working. Boy, how old do you think I am? And who do you think you playing? Okay, I'm a player ass bitch and you know it. Like, you cannot play a player. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. But I just let him play, you know? I just let him play. I let him do his thing. No, he ain't gonna be back. Not after I tell y'all what he did. Oh no, I will not. You won't see him around these parts. You will not. I'm sorry. That's so old. Right. Like, he thinks I'm stupid. And I'm like, do you understand what I just got out of? Okay. Oh, where are you? Oh, you can't talk. Oh, okay. He was doing this shit, which I just learned. I never knew niggas did all this. He was talking to me, bitch, and then he would put it on mute while I was talking because I didn't hear shit. He was putting that shit on mute. I was like, oh, you don't want me to hear what's in the background. After he was doing the mute game and the not answering game, he moved on to the FaceTime game. Anytime he would be trying to check me, okay, he would be like, answer your FaceTime so I could see where you at. And I would be like, what? Where they do that at? He wouldn't answer his FaceTime. And girl, if I ever denied him a FaceTime request, he would be like, oh, okay, so you fucking around. So that's what you're doing? You fucking around on me? That's what you're doing? And I'll be like, oh my God, here we go. Let me just answer this fucking FaceTime so we shut the fuck up. So he wasn't answering his FaceTime. Okay. So I was like, okay. When he was answering his FaceTime, I was like, okay, nigga, boo. Anyway, he ended up coming over last night, okay? People are like, he played you. I don't feel played. I don't feel played. I feel like he wasted my time. But then again, I also feel like he was sent into my life to, like, I don't know, show me whatever the hell I had to see. Did you smell him? Girl, yes. No, I didn't smell him. I said it though. I said, because one time I came home, okay, and he came home, he came here right after me. And he was like, let me see. Did you know that nigga ripped my underwear off? He ripped my underwear off of me. He was drunk. But I was just like, really? You gonna do all that? Like, that's necessary? Nigga, these underwear were like $18. I was pissed. But I did. I said that to him last night. I said, let me smell your dick. And he was like, he pulled his pants down, like all the way motherfucking down. I was about to smell it. I was just like, oh, okay. Pull your pants back up, sir. Okay, it's not that serious. Signs of abuse. Touch his balls. Ew, no. I wasn't gonna do all that, you guys. I was not gonna do all that. So we woke up today. I took the kids to school. Okay. I came back. We talked. And girl, he was all over me. I gave him some. So I got a little farewell dick. Okay, I sure did. Did he fuck raw? Is that your business? Damn. By the way, it's my mommy's birthday today. So can we all get a little bit of happy birthday, Mama Stella? He was in the shower and I was standing in the bathroom and Ryan brought the phone in the room. And I don't go through his phone because, bitch, at this point, I'm just like, fuck it. Like, I'm not even going to do all that. I ain't even going to, He be trying to go through mine, though. And she knew what she was doing when she brought me that phone. So I was like, oh, and I just clicked the text messages real quick. I see a bitch's name. And I ain't going to say the bitch's name. We're just going to call her Kelly. Okay? I saw a bitch, Kelly. Okay? And I'm like, oh, Kelly, it was the first name, bitch. Like, he was just texting this hoe. I click on that real quick because he's just about to get out the shower, bitch. I click it real quick. And she was like, he said, hey. It was a real short text messages. Like, they met last night, bitch. Okay? He said, hey. And then she said, Kelly. Like, she put her name, like, you know, like, lock me in. This is Kelly, bitch. And he said, this nigga said, meet me at racetrack. Meet you at racetrack for what? For what? I got up in that ass so quick. So quick. I'm like, who's Kelly and why the fuck are you meeting her at racetrack? What you gotta meet this bitch at racetrack for? And then she was like, after that, after he said meet me at racetrack, she was like, I fell asleep half naked in the bed. I'm sorry, I couldn't go out. Thinks I'm dumb. He was like, oh, that was just for some weed. Like, you know, like I was meeting her up for some weed, blah, blah, blah. Look, it's real life. Okay, people out here smoke weed. I don't know how you feel about it, sis. I don't. Okay, just like putting it out there because it's illegal in Texas. I don't do that. And I was like, bro, do you think I'm stupid? Do you think I was born yesterday? Like, do you really, like, I told him, like, at this point, you're insulting my intelligence, bruh. It was my turn to get in the shower. I got my fat ass in that shower, and I was still going off. I said, you ain't about to get this phone because you just about to go delete some shit. I'm about to take it in the bathroom. I took it in the bathroom, set it right there. locked the door, and got in the shower. Anyway, he got in the bathroom somehow. I don't know. My door doesn't really lock that well. And girl, I'm still going off. Okay. And he was like, baby, it's nothing. We can call her. Like, it's nothing, baby. We could call her. And I'm like, okay, call the bitch then. Call her. And he was like, hey, what's up? And she's like, hey, you know, trying to be cute. And he was like, what's up? And they weren't saying shit to each other. They weren't saying nothing to each other. And I was like, how you know him? How you know him, Kelly? How you know him, bitch? How do you know him? Like, can we get to the point here? Y'all keep saying, hey, back and forth to one another. No, nigga. It's like she knows what's up and you know what's up. So what's up? How you know him? She didn't say shit. She didn't. Mum's the word, bitch. She didn't say a motherfucking thing. And I was like, okay. So it's another one of these little slick ass hoes. You look like a fool. Really? Because I think I look fucking good, bitch. Okay. So I'm like, how do you know him? She ain't saying shit. He looking at me like, bitch, I don't know what to do. I'm just like, oh my God. He hung up. He was like, that is so embarrassing. So I get out the shower, dry off, get dressed. He's like, baby, let me take you out. Let me take you out. Let me take you out. Let's go out to lunch and blah, 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 blah. He don't want to spend some money on you. You know, here comes the money shit again. The money shit. Trying to trick on me and shit. Nah. I was like, I don't even want to go nowhere with you. I'm like, you really out here entertaining bitches when you were so adamant about me keeping my body to myself. You really out here entertaining hoes and then acting stupid and acting like you're a good ass man. I let him take me out to lunch, bitch. I sure did. I got some dick and I got a meal. Okay, that was my farewell. And if he's watching right now, I don't care. Hi, bye. You lost a good one. Goodbye. You mad but still open your legs. Yep. Because I'm going to get mine.